Hello guys, my name is Shemnera and I'm going to be showing you how we can use our Just Food Premix ice cream powder to produce ice cream using a soft serve machine. So the mixing ratio using our Just Food ice cream premix powder for soft serve ice cream production is 1 part of the ice cream premix powder to 2 parts water. So we're going to be weighing 1 kg of our premix powder and we're going to use 2 liters of water for this production. Measured water here, which is 2 liters of water, and we have our 1 kg of mix. So we're going to pour 2 liters of water into our mixing vessel, and we're going to pour our 1 kg of our Just Food ice cream premix powder into the water that we have already measured and mixed vigorously. We have mixed our mix vigorously, and now we are going to age in a refrigerated unit for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how your mix should look after aging in the refrigerated unit. Ice cream would be after coming out of your soft serve machine. And the cone used for this demonstration is our Just Food cones that are available at supermarkets and stores near you. Thank you.